guys, today I'm back with another session of conjunctions. Remember, we did conjunctions before this, and what did I tell you about conjunctions? That conjunctions join words, phrases, or two sentences or clauses. Remember? Okay, guys, so today we are going to do a session on conjunctions. So this is Bobby Yadav. I've taught for various common written exams like MAT, PGCET, banking exams, as well as CAT, which is my forte. I have over a decade's experience for teaching in common written exams, and I worked for several renowned institutions before I joined an academy. Guys, please subscribe to hashtag CAT Live Daily. I repeat, please subscribe to hashtag Catch Live Daily. Amazing, guys. So we have a whole lot of people joining in. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to this session, and we are going to do a practice exercise on conjunctions today. And those who have not downloaded the Telegram app, please do download the Telegram app and click on the URL which is shared on the screen. Then once you download it, and then what you have to do is look for the CAT channel. Fine. Once you do that, you will be able to join in and you will be able to download the PDFs which is shared by our team after the session. Amazing, guys. So we are going to have a wonderful session today, and welcome to all of you. Pay attention and remember that 1 minute rule follows. Okay, don't get distracted. Take a minute to answer, and then we shall go ahead and solve all the questions together. Isn't it great, guys? Okay, guys, now we come to the most important part, which is the Unacademy subscriptions. You know that if you have a dream, you should be able to fulfill it, isn't it? And we at Unacademy, we will help you fulfill your dreams. So please take the subscription so that we educators are able to hold your hand and walk you through the CAT exam. Fine, guys, and the subscriptions are really pocket friendly. If you see, 1 month it is just 3,500, 3 months it is 2,917, 6 months it is 2,333, 12 months it's just 1,458, and 24 months even cheaper, 875. Guys, if you look at the rates here, they are so reasonable and so pocket friendly. In addition to that, if you use my coupon code BYLIVE, you get an additional discount of 10%. Isn't it great, guys? Amazing, right? Yes, you must agree to it. Please go and get your subscriptions today. You want to crack CAT, isn't it? Please go and get your subscriptions today. Amazing, guys. So I have got you a practice exercise of conjunctions. Yeah, so we are going to work on this, guys. This is a kind of revision for you for conjunctions. You know why I keep getting you these sessions on and off? The reason being that you are in touch with the parts of speech and you don't forget the rules of grammar. You know, you are so involved in doing para summaries, para jumbles, reading comprehension, and the rest of it that you forget the rules of grammar. So on and off, I will be getting you these sessions to keep you in touch with your grammar rules. Okay, fine, guys. Let's work on the first sentence. Spot the error. Please do not answer before a minute. That 1 minute rule applies. So take 1 minute, read the sentence properly, and then answer, guys. Amazing. Please work on it, guys. I'll give you a minute's time. Yes, pay attention to everything and then make the necessary changes or the necessary corrections. Just don't blindly do the correction, guys. You will go wrong. Yes, guys, please. I have given you the rules of correlative conjunctions, isn't it? Guys, correlative conjunctions, you know how to use them. Yes. So what is the sentence telling you? Ramesh neither went to Jaipur nor Delhi. So what is the correction that you have to do? Be very, very careful and attentive before you make any changes, guys. That is my request to you. Okay, guys, now I will explain what the correction. The correction is what? You know that neither is misplaced, right? So what you have to do, you have to place the verb before it. So what does your sentence read as? Ramesh, Ramesh went neither to Jaipur, not Delhi. This is the correction. I hope all of you have done the correct correction. Right, guys? Okay, very good. Move on to the second sentence. What does it read as, guys? It was generally doubted that India would permit the use of her soil. Be very, very careful about what correction you have to make in this because it is a little tricky. Okay, guys, please take a minute, understand what, try to spot the error and only then do the correction. I'll give you a minute. Nobody is going to answer. Please, guys. Yes. Are you reading it carefully? Please read carefully, guys. Don't get distracted. Don't please get distracted. Please concentrate on the sentence and then make your changes. These kind of sentences, no, they are a little tricky. So be careful. What is the correction that you need to do here, guys? Yes, I know this is a little tricky. Yeah, are all of you done? Fine. I will do the correction here. So what is the sentence telling you, guys? It was generally doubted that India would permit the use of her soil. That is incorrect here. Got that? So it was generally doubted whether India would permit the use of her soil. Did you get it, guys? Yes? Okay, fine. We will move on to the next sentence. Very good. Okay, guys, again, please read. This sentence has two parts. See which part the error is in. Okay, accordingly, make the changes plus But please be very, very careful while you're making the correction. What is it saying? It is saying Raghu and Sujata are already late. They won't be able to catch the train if they run. Now you decide what should be the correction. I'll give you a minute. Nobody is going to get distracted. Please work on the sentence and answer. I hope you remember all the rules of conjunctions that I had explained to you when we did the session of conjunctions. Yes, guys, please work on it. Be very, very careful when you're doing the corrections. Never get distracted, guys, when you are working on the sentence correction. Yeah, very good. I'll give you just another few seconds before I discuss the answer. Yes, guys, can we go ahead and discuss? Yes. So, what is the sentence telling you? Raghu and Sujata are already late. They won't be able to catch the train if they run. So, what is the correction here? Tell me. Raghu and Sujata are already late. So, what is the conjunction that you will be using here, guys? So, they won't be able to catch the train even if they run. Even if they run. Okay? See, Raghu and Sujata are already late. So they won't be able to catch the train even if they run. Make sense, guys? Yes. Very good. So you should be very, very careful when you are doing the corrections. I hope many of you have got it correct. Fine. Let's move on to the fourth one. Again, guys, I am warning you beforehand. This is also a little tricky. Please read carefully before you answer. Right? Excellent. Since Sam has lost all his money, he remains happy. So this is the sentence. Now see what is the mistake here. Yes, guys. Please use that 1 minute rule. Nobody is going to answer before 1 minute. Yeah? All of you know about it by now. So I don't need to keep reminding you of the same thing again and again. Right? Great. I'll give you a small hint, guys. See, in this sentence, there can be two ways in which you can do the correction. So let's see if you are able to identify what are the ways in which you can do the correction. Okay, let's see. Yes, are you able to figure it out, guys? Yeah, work on it. Think, put your mind to it. Excellent. Just another few seconds, then I will discuss the answer. Yes, guys, work on it. Yeah, okay. So let's see what is the answer. Guys, here if you see that we can correct this sentence in two ways. How are they? Now see, first it is saying since Sam has lost his money. You can very well figure out that since is not correct here. So you can say though Sam has lost all his money, he remains happy. So, this is the first way you can correct this sentence. There is also another way in which you can correct this sentence. The other way can be Sam has lost, Sam has lost all his money, yet, yet he remains happy. Yet he remains happy. So these are the two ways in which you can correct the sentence. Either you can say, though Sam has lost all his money, he remains happy. Or you can say, Sam has lost all his money, yet he remains happy. Yet he remains happy. Sorry, I missed out the he here. Clear, guys? These sentences are clear? Fine. We will move on to the next one. So, the fifth one. Please read carefully. Please read carefully before you start to make the corrections. What is the sentence telling you? She agreed not only to replace the broken part but to provide compensation for the damage. So, take a minute, think about it, and then answer. I have explained to you about correlative conjunctions, isn't it? The pairs of conjunctions. So, just try to recollect what I had told you about the correlative conjunctions. What are the correlative conjunctions? And accordingly, find the right pair and use it in the sentence. Yes? Amazing, guys. Please work on it carefully. Carefully, guys. I'll just give you a few more minutes before you answer. Yes, guys? Are you getting it? Super. So, guys, what is the correction here? You have she agreed not only to replace the broken part but also. You know that not only and but also is a pair, is a correlative conjunction, right? So you use he agreed not only to replace the broken part but also to provide compensation for the damage, right? What are the other correlative conjunctions? Can you recollect, guys? You have neither nor, either or, then you have of course not only but also, then you can have whether or, both and, then so as or so that. These are all correlative conjunctions, right? So fine, you got the correction for the fifth. Please move on to the sixth one. Please move on to the sixth one. Think and answer, guys. Please don't be in a hurry. And of course, the 1 minute rule applies. Take a minute, think about it, and then do you make your corrections. Actually, all these things I have discussed in class, and I really hope that you remember. And I really don't want you to forget anything. The rules are very, very important, guys. So, in order to frame correct sentences, also you need the rules, right? So, you can't afford to forget the rules. That was the main reason that I got you this today, this practice exercise of conjunctions. Yes, guys? And okay, can we discuss? Okay. So what is it? This is also a correlative conjunction that you have to use. So what are you using, guys? Here it is saying the issue was too complicated that it could not be solved by any one of us. So guys, here two is wrong, isn't it? You have it followed by that. So what is the pair here? So was so complicated. So what is your correction here? To has to be replaced by so. The issue was so complicated that it could not be solved by any one of us. Any one of us. Now, guys, here if you see, so and that again forms a pair, right? Sorry. So and that, they form a pair, right? Like how not only we have seen here, not only and but also forms a pair, right? So in the same way, this is also a correlative conjunction. Fine, we'll move on to the next one, guys. Please read the seventh one very, very carefully before you answer. So take a minute, think over the sentence, and then answer. This is actually a simple one, so I think we will not waste too much of time on this. I know you people are smart, so yes, I'll just give you the correction for this. So, healthcare in India is neither available, so neither is followed by what? Neither is followed by nor, right? So, here or is not correct. So, it has to be India is neither available. Healthcare in India is neither available nor affordable for the poor. Amazing. Okay, guys, move on to the eighth one. Move on to the eighth one. Read carefully, take a minute, and then answer. This is a little complicated, guys. Be careful, read it properly before you do any corrections, okay? I am just waiting to see how many of you get this right. Yes, super, guys. Yeah, please concentrate, guys, and read very, very carefully. Okay, guys, now let me tell you what the correction is. Guys, here, if you see, that is problematic. You will never use that before. You never use that before how, who, what, and which. Okay, you never use that before how, who, what, and which. So this that is wrong here. This is what is wrong here. So how will the sentence read as Susan asked Julia how she was going to manage her problem. That's it. You remove the that from there. Got it, guys? Is it very clear? Fine, guys. We will move on to the next one. Great. Look at the ninth one. Read carefully. Though it's easy, I don't know how many of you would be able to understand what the correction is. Yeah, please be very, very careful, guys. And the 1 minute rule applies. I don't want anyone to answer before a minute. Okay? Amazing. Please be careful. I keep telling you all this, guys, because I don't want you to make mistakes in this because you guys know it. So don't make silly mistakes. Okay? Amazing. Okay, guys. So this is again actually a very simple correction. So what is it? When there are three parts in a sentence, the last part is joined by and, isn't it? So what would be the correction here? I decided to work, went to the kitchen and cut vegetables with a knife. So when there are three parts in a sentence, the last part has to be joined by a conjunction, right? Fine. Move on to the 10th one. This is also easy, guys. I want to complete all the 15 sentences today. So just let's hurry up a bit and complete all of them. Every day we are not able to complete all the questions which I get for you. Fine. Great. Just work on it, guys, quickly. You can see the moon at night as the sky is clear. Where do you find the mistake is? Quickly try to identify where the mistake is. Take a minute, guys. Be careful before you answer. Yes, guys, are you able to figure out? Are you able to figure out where you should be able to do the correction? Yes. So just let's start doing it. You can see the moon at night. You say as the sky is clear. When can you see the moon? If the sky is clear, isn't it? So what should be the correction here? As is wrong. So you will use if here. Right? You say you can see the moon at night if the sky is clear. Right, guys? Amazing. Move on to the next one. Take a minute Be very now this is a little different, guys. So the sentence is divided into three parts. Check which part has an error, okay, and then make the correction. Please, guys, I request again and again that you please read and don't be in a hurry to answer. That 1 minute rule still applies, so please be careful, very careful. Isn't it helping you to remember all the rules, guys? Isn't it? Right. So we must be doing an exercise like this once in a while so that you are updated with the rules. You don't forget. We cannot let that part of your brain get rusted. Right? Yeah. So be careful and do it. Take your time quickly, think about it, and then answer, guys. She was not so well versed in English that they had expected. Sorry. Please think, and then do. We can discuss if you have any doubts in all these sentences. We can definitely discuss it later on. Okay. For now, please be careful and answer the spot the errors correctly. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll go ahead and correct this one. So, what is the correction? She was not so. Now, guys, here you have a conjunction, right? What is the pair of so? Either it has to be as or so that. Now, here, according to the context, she was not so well versed in English that they had accepted is wrong as they had expected, right? So here you have to use the conjunction so and as. She was not so well versed in English as they had expected, right? Fine. Move on to the 12th one, guys. Read very carefully before you answer. I am giving you enough time so that I don't want anyone to make any mistakes. Concentrate and do. And that 1 minute rule also applies. Fine? Great. 3 years have passed that I returned from USA and settled here. So please understand the context and then answer. Yes? Okay, guys? Please read, and I am giving you a minute's time. Why are you guys in a hurry? Please identify the error. 3 years have passed that I returned from USA and settled here. So what is the error, guys, here? It is, the mistake is in the second part of the sentence, isn't it? Here. So you say 3 years have passed that I returned from USA? No. What would you use here? You will use since. Right? What does it mean? 3 years have passed since I returned from USA and settled here. That means I am settled here from the time I have returned from USA. Right. So the correction will be 3 years have passed since I returned from USA and settled here. Okay, guys? Fine. Great. Let's move on to the next one. Be very, very careful and think about it and answer. Please read carefully. 1 minute rule applies. I know I'm going on and on about the 1 minute rule, but I do not want you to answer till you really think and understand what is the error here. You are actually able to spot the error. Yes, guys? Amazing. Please go ahead and spot the error. Where is the error? Yes, it may seem a little confusing, but actually the correction is pretty easy. Yeah, and I do use, though I am giving you a practice exercise on conjunctions, but I, give one or two sentences from here and there just to see whether you are able to identify the error or not. Okay, it should be like that, isn't it? One or two sentences from here and there also is very much required, because otherwise your mind will say only conjunctions. We should not think about anything else other than conjunctions. It should not be that way, right? Very good. Yes, guys, can you identify the error, guys? Can you identify the error? Yeah? Fine. We will discuss now. So what is it saying? See again, your sentence starts with both. It is starting with both, right? Both is followed by what? Both is followed by and, not along with, right? This is the error here. So both the rich and the poor are responsible for great many vices with which our country is inflicted. So that is the correction here. So both and are also correlative conjunctions. You remember, right? I just mentioned it to you a few slides back. So don't forget. Fine. Now move on to the 14th one. Please move on to the 14th one. Please think and answer, guys. What is the sentence telling you? No sooner did we find out a solution to the problem when another problem cropped up. Now try and find out where is the error. Read very, very carefully before you answer. So guys, by the way, I did a session on which books to purchase for CAT preparation. How many of you saw that video, those students who had a doubt, who wanted to know more about the books which should be read, okay, for CAT preparation, and from where you can actually prepare good CAT questions. I have discussed about all of that in the video. So those who haven't seen it, please see it. It is a must watch. Okay, it will help you in your preparations. Yeah. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Think about what you have to do and then do it. Take your time. We'll wait for a minute. Yes, so can we work on this? So guys, remember I had discussed no sooner. First, let me discuss this sentence, and then I will give you some more information, or let it be a revision for you. I'll give you some more information. So whenever a sentence is starting with no sooner, what is it followed with? It is followed with than, not when. So here, if you see, this is wrong, isn't it? No sooner is not followed by when. It is followed by than. One sec. So it is followed by than. No sooner is followed by than. Okay. And guys, one more thing I'll tell you. See, when do you use when? When you use hardly or scarcely, right? Whenever a sentence is starting with hardly or scarcely, it should be followed by when. And whenever it starts with no sooner, then it should be followed by than. So don't forget this. You must remember these rules when you are doing a sentence correction. Fine, guys. Right. You move on to the next one. Please read, guys. I'm going to give you enough time to make the corrections. Please don't make any mistakes. What is the sentence telling you? It was almost 5 months ago since she wrote a letter to me to remind me of my promise. Yes, guys, please read carefully. I'm giving you a minute's time. I am giving you a minute's time. Please read it carefully and then make the necessary corrections. The graphics team have done a wonderful job, isn't it? They have put such wonderful graphics. And this is all for you guys. Unacademy is going out of the way to help you, isn't it? Amazing. And I really hope that you make the most of it. Yeah? Prepare properly, revise If you are not thorough with any concepts, please go over the videos again and again so that you will be able to get a clear understanding of all the concepts, isn't it? Yes, guys. So, can we go ahead? A little more time I'll give you before I discuss this sentence with you. Yeah. So, what does it say? It was almost 5 months ago since she wrote a letter. You say, since she wrote a letter to me to remind me of my promise? No. So, here, since is not used correctly. This is the mistake you have. So here, that she wrote a letter. Yeah. So it was almost 5 months ago that she wrote a letter to me to remind me of my promise. Guys, you remember when I did prepositions with you? When do you use since? That is, you use when an action which has been started in the past is continuing to the present, right? As in, if I say I have been singing since my childhood, or I can say, it can also be used as a cause. Like I can say that I had to share my room since there was only one available. So you are using it as because, reason. But here, since is not used correctly. See, there are also several other uses of since. I've just mentioned two of them. So it was almost 5 months ago that she wrote a letter to me to remind me of my promise. Okay, guys. So this was it for today. So I hope all of you have got most of the sentences correct. Those who have not got the sentences correct, please revise it again and see what the errors were and where you went wrong. So in case you are going wrong, make sure that you go to that video again and revise the rules, okay, before you start doing another set of sentence correction. Right. So, guys, get ready for Pratik sir's class. He is a wonderful faculty who will be taking you through quantitative ability. Also, to remind you that our session starts exactly at 5 p.m. in the evening with Ashish sir coming to you with LRGI, followed by Amit sir who takes quantitative ability again, and then I who takes verbal ability for you, followed by Pratik sir. Isn't it amazing, guys? Great. We will go on to the most important thing. This is the Unacademy subscription, guys. Make sure you go and take the subscription abhi ke abhi, immediately, क्योंकि अगर if you have the courage to dream, you should be able to realize it too, isn't it? So Unacademy is going to help you go a long way because it will give you live classes, guys. You can interact with the educator, you can have a one-on-one session with them, okay? And then for every question that is asked in the plus classes, you will have live polls so that there and then you come to know whether you are answering correctly or not. Then you can also know your position in the class through the leaderboard, right? And then in addition to this, you have the test series and analysis of the test series too. Test series is a must, guys. Unless you keep solving a lot of tests, taking up a lot of tests, how would you know how you are faring in the test? So it is very much required. Please keep all these things in mind and immediately go and take the Unacademy subscription. Also, you have live doubt clearing sessions, guys. So many advantages. What are you waiting for? You have to crack CAT, isn't it? Amazing. So, see, it's so simple. You just have to go to Play Store, download the Unacademy learning app, and install. Just two simple steps, right? And then what you have to do, you have to look for the plus course. And what is your goal? Your goal is CAT, right? And what do you get here? See, you get 30 plus hours of live sessions every day in various subjects. Guys, it is not restricted to one. It can be English, it can be verbal ability, it can be LRDI, it can be quantitative ability. It's your choice. Whatever you are weak in, you can go and attend those sessions. 30 hours, guys. Is it a joke? Then you have very structured courses in English and Hindi. So you have a choice here also. So flexible. If you are not able to understand English, please follow it in Hindi. Right? And then there will be 14 plus educators who will help you through this journey. Just imagine 14 educators. Isn't it great? Amazing. And every month we are publishing new courses for you to help you crack CAT, right? So get your subscriptions today. And the CAT subscriptions, guys, what to tell you, they are so pocket friendly. See, 1 month it is just 3,500, 3 months it is 2,917, 6 months it is 2,333, 12 months it is 1458, 24 months it gets cheaper, guys. It's just 875. See how pocket friendly they are. Especially it will be more feasible to go for the 12 months and the 24 months subscriptions, because it really adds value to the money you spent. And in addition to that, if you use my coupon code BYLIVE, you get an additional discount of 10%, isn't it? Amazing, guys. Please go ahead and take your subscriptions today. Right. And then see, on the Unacademy platform, it's not only CAT. You have NEET, you have JEE, you have ninth, you have 10th, you have 11th and 12th, and the list is endless. Name the course and you have it on Unacademy. Isn't it great, guys? And you know, before you leave, you have to hit the like button, like and share button. Please share it with as many students as possible, your family, your relatives, your cousins. Please share it as much as possible so that we can help more and more students on this platform. And also subscribe to hashtag CAT Live Daily. Guys, I repeat, please subscribe to hashtag CAT Live Daily. Okay, great, guys. And then you know that which referral code to use. You have to use the referral code BYLIVE and get 10% off instantly. Isn't it great going, guys? And today's session was an amazing session. You guys are amazingly interactive and sweet. I'm very fond of you. Until tomorrow, I will see you at the same time, and I'll get you another interesting session from the VA and RC section. Until then, guys, bye-bye. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Take care.